Hey y'all, this video is for my educators out there who want to use AI in your classroom, which is a pretty good idea because AI is changing education. And in this video, I will show you how to use it effectively. So grab a notebook and a pen and let's get into it. AI is transforming education by making learning more personalized, efficient, and accessible. AI powered tools assist you with lesson planning, grading, and feedback, reducing your workload. We all want that, and freeing up time for meaningful student interaction, something that we also really want. It also supports DI, making education more inclusive for your ESL students, your special education learners, and your gifted students. Then there's the big, ugly side of AI in the classroom. Does it encourage cheating, misinformation, or over reliance? So, I want to help you guide your students in using AI the right way. AI can generate lesson ideas, outlines, and activities by analyzing your content and aligning them with specific learning objectives. You can use AI powered tools like ChatGPT, we all heard of that one, Google Bard, and others to generate lesson ideas. These tools can suggest engaging lesson topics based on the grade level and subject you teach. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, give me a fun way to teach fractions to fourth graders, and see what you get. Okay, I'm over on ChatGPT and I'm going to say, give me a fun way to teach fractions to fourth graders. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is what we have. A fun way to teach fractions to fourth graders is through a fraction pizza party. They tell us how it works. Build a pizza, you have toppings and fractions. Fraction challenge asks students questions like, what fraction of your pizza has mushrooms? Real pizza connection. If possible, bring in real mini pizzas or cookies, pancakes, or tortillas and let students practice cutting and labeling fractions. This is a great idea. Fraction orders. Pretend to be a customer and order a pizza with certain fractions of toppings. Have students create it and check each other's work. This hands on activity makes fractions visual, relatable, and delicious. I like it. I like it. Use AI to structure your lessons. AI can structure lessons using common frameworks like the 5E model. For example, if you are a science teacher, you can say something like outline a 5E lesson plan on ecosystems. Let's do that one too. Outline a 5E lesson plan on ecosystems. Okay, so my prompt was a little bare bones, but it did push out some very valuable information. They gave me grade level from the fourth through the seventh grade. So if I was to do this for a real classroom, of course, I would definitely choose the grade level. And I may also choose the specific state standard just to give the AI a little bit more juice to work with. But as you can see, it's giving me all 5 E's: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Now, there is a framework that goes one step above 5E. It's called the 6E lesson plan. And in this video, you will learn how to not only engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluate. There is a one more very important E. If you want to know what it is, click on the video link in the description. Now, AI can also generate hands on activities, discussion prompts, and formative assessments tailored to the different learning styles in your classroom. Use tools like Kahoot and Canva Magic Write, along with a few others, to create interactive quizzes, worksheets, and educational games. Fun, fun. For example, you can use the AI tools with a prompt like, create a classroom debate activity on the American Revolution. You can also ask the AI to provide debate topics, role playing ideas, and rubrics. Okay, quick tip for my teachers. always review and modify the AI generated content for accuracy and alignment with your curriculum standards. This is a must. Did you know that you can also use AI to tailor your lessons to individual student needs? You can ensure that every learner gets the right level of support and are challenged at the appropriate level. Use tools like Khan Academy. I know most of us have heard of that one. Dreambox and IXL to adjust lessons in real time based on student performance. For example, a math student struggling with fractions will receive additional practice and explanations, while your other student moves on to more complex problems. These platforms, along with a few others, provide instant feedback and they help your students correct mistakes and improve learning in real time. AI is great for differentiated instruction because it can modify your content or your lesson for different learning levels by simplifying texts for struggling readers, and it could suggest tiered assignments where students work at varying levels. A great example of this is if you ask the AI tools to generate three different versions of a reading comprehension passage. You have one for your beginners, one for your on level readers, and one for your more advanced students. These AI tools can literally help you with every type of learner you have in your classroom. So, for your ESL students, you can use AI tools like Google Translate and even ChatGPT. These tools can provide texts in a student's native language and it can help them with vocabulary development. For your special education students, you can use AI powered speech to text and text to speech tools like Voice Dream Reader. These tools can assist students with different learning disabilities. These are really great for your advanced learners also. You can use, once again, Chat GPT and ask for enrichment activities, research topics, or projects. These activities can really challenge your gifted students. And here's another quick tip: AI should complement teaching, not replace human judgment. Of course, we all know this. And educators should monitor your AI recommendations to ensure they meet your students' unique needs. How can AI reduce teacher workload? I am so glad you asked. Yes, yes, AI can help you save time, reduce stress, and focus on student engagement by automating those repetitive tasks and streamlining the work. You can use tools like Google Forms and Gradescale, along with a few others, to instantly grade multiple choice, fill in the blank, and short answer questions. AI can also generate personalized feedback on writing assignments if you are a writing teacher using tools like Grammarly and once again, ChatGPT. So, for example, you can upload your student essays if they typed them out and ask the AI to highlight common grammatical mistakes and suggest improvements, saving you so much time grading papers. These AI tools can also help you streamline communication. So, you can use AI chatbots and email assistants like Grammarly Go and Copy.ai to help draft emails, announcements, and parent newsletters that much faster. You can use AI to analyze your quiz results and identify patterns. Now, these tools can help you show which topics students are struggling with and help you adjust your instruction. And this is the final tip: use AI for support. So, by automating time consuming tasks, you can focus more on your instruction, being a highly engaging, highly creative teacher, and your student relationships. Integrating AI into your classroom is great, but you also want to teach your students how to use it. So, You want to discuss that it's a tool that processes information, but it's not always accurate. Sometimes it's incorrect, and they're going to have to use the critical thinking skills to decide what's true and what's not. You want to let them know that, of course, they can use AI to brainstorm ideas or summarize concepts or even check for grammar, but they cannot use AI to generate full essays. No, complete their math problems for them, or replace critical thinking. So, my final overall thought is that AI isn't here to replace you or your students, it's here to support deeper learning and creativity. So, the key is basically knowing how to use it wisely. For a highly effective formative assessment tool, make sure that you grab ABC Engage. The link is in the description below. Also, watch how to create a 6E model lesson. It's a 6E wow model lesson that I walk you through step by step. The link to that video is in the description below. Let me hear from you. Comment below, which AI tool are you excited about using the most? Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next video.